If you are having problems with your AirPods not staying in your ears, then you have to check out what's in this box. I recently made a few videos around the Sony XM4s and the Pixel Buds because, well, these AirPod Pros just don't stay in my ears. Until today. Now, when someone left a comment in one of those videos saying that I should go and give some foam ear tips a go, well, I initially dismissed it, mainly because they seemed like really expensive at $24, and because I've already tried all sorts of ear tips for the AirPod Pros in an effort to get them to stay in my bloody ears. But I thought, heck, why not give them a try? And they're on Amazon, so worst case, if they don't work, I'll send them back. So I did. I bought a 3-pack of medium ear tips and oh my sweet goodness. If you are new around here, then hi, my name is Pete and blah 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 blah, subscribe. Now let's get to it. Now these ear tips are made by Comply, and are made specifically for the AirPods Pro. They come in packs of 3, and that's either 3 of the same size for if you know which size you are, or 3 of different sizes, but they all cost the same price. They all cost $24. Now there did seem to be a couple of different versions of them when I looked around, so I'll link down below to the exact ones I bought for anyone who wants to try and kind of do the same thing themselves. Again, zero risk, if they're crap, just send them back. Sounds like a kid's book. If they're crap, send them back. I guess that I'm a medium because it doesn't matter which size tips I actually use. The Apple fit test just tells me they're the right fit. And so I bought a pack of 3 mediums. So simply pull off the old ones, pop on the new ones, put them in, and let's see. Holy moly, they actually stay in. And after using these things for a couple of weeks now, I've tried, well, everything with them. I've used them whilst on video calls, phone calls, whilst walking around, and I've even used them at the gym every single day for 14 days straight. And I have to say, I am really impressed. Now, I didn't go the whole gym session without adjusting them at all, but without these ear tips, I was having to constantly do it between every single time I stopped what I was doing. So much so that I think it's actually more habit than necessity now. Now, the other bonus whilst using these tips is that the audio quality actually sounds so much better because of that seal that you get when using the phone tips. Now, they're still not quite up to the Sony XM4 standard, which you can go and watch here if you're interested in how those compare to the AirPods. Otherwise, well, if you want to buy a set of these phone tips for your own AirPods, then the link will be in the description below. Don't forget, of course, to subscribe to the channel and then go and watch this video next. I'll see you there.